They see the tools and the setup and go, I want that guy doing my jobs. The Paulk Smart Bench. That's right. It's the bench that you've seen all along, the one that you can purchase. It comes boxed, ready to assemble. And I'm going to make a video assembling this one so you will see that. This one, though, is made out of UltraLight, like all of them, except it's made out of the hex. We got a shipment of benches in finally. I think they're close to being sold out already, so we're already thinking about the next shipment. But if you want one, there'll be a link in this video. Jump on it, go either order it if they've still got one, or get a pre-order in so we can get to know how many we need to actually order so that we can get enough to fulfill orders and maybe keep a few in stock. It's challenging right now to do this import stuff. As you all know, it's not new, but it makes it difficult, and the margins are super thin because we're trying to keep the price down. And so we really can't justify or afford to buy big, multiple containers and just put them in inventory if they're just going to sit. We pretty much need to move them pretty quick. Storage time and the cost of capital and those kind of things. It's challenging to be a small business and not be able to scale like, a monster warehouse store or something that they can justify that stuff. So with us, we have to pretty much move it through. So if you're interested, jump on there, put in your order, and we'll figure out how quick we can get another container in. That is if you don't get one now. It's possibly those who jump on early, there may be a few left. Once it's all assembled, I'm going to make a video showing you all about it, just how it looks and how it works. And I'll probably put that video up first and then put up the how to assemble it video. Subscribe, ring the bell if you enjoy this, if you like this. At the foundation of what the smart system is, it's engineering and design to bring efficiency, ergonomics, profitability, and fun, just so you have more time, more income to do what you love, but not be running around so busy because you're not efficient, busy because you're not ergonomic, busy because you're just tired and you haven't planned well. Those are things that happen to all of us. And so it's been my goal in the whole 15 years of this channel to bring you what I've learned in all my years of being a building contractor. And it just so happens that the tools, the smart tools and things they're just to enhance that or to make that possible, to be able to have a portable wood shop, a no compromise. And when I say no compromise, I mean it. Taking it from place to place, once you get to where you're going to work, setting it up very quickly, one person, not being tired after setting it up, being able to go right to work so you're efficient with your time and your energy. But it's no compromise in that I can do anything with this portable shop that I could do with my big fixed-based shop. And I've had a number of those with big tools, and they're wonderful. It's nice to walk in and flip the lights on and have all that big, beautiful stuff. But it comes at a cost. It's a cost of having the space, building or renting it. It comes at all those big tools, which are very expensive. And more important than that, it comes in maintaining those tools. All the blades and the bits and all of that stuff on those bigger tools gets very expensive. And if you're a builder or a remodeler or a specialist that need to do most of your work at where the project is, it's a home, so you're not going to bring the home to your shop, you're going to bring the work you've done at the shop to the home. It's one of those things where you're building, you're remodeling, and having your shop there, but a no compromise shop, it makes all the difference in the world. If you are organized with the smart system, it is beautiful for you to go in and look at it. Something with that eye candy where you just enjoy starting your day, but your clients, they're the ones that make the biggest difference. I have spent very, very little money on advertising my construction business. It is almost, and I mean 99.9% word of mouth. When I'm on a job and I have that Smart Woodshop there and these tools set up in the garage and I'm doing work, hardly do they even need to see my work. They see the tools and the setup and go, I want that guy doing my job. So the neighbor comes over and sees it, and then they call their best friend over and they come over and see it. It's like you have to be careful not to spend too much time showing off your shop because you need to get work done. But you'll spend less money on all of this than you want on advertising and get more results from it. So you get the double dip. You get the tools that you enjoy working with to do the type of work that you enjoy doing. And instead of spending all that money on advertising, you get to spend it on the tools that you get to put your hands on. If you want to build yourself any one of the smart tools or the entire system, you can get a set of plans to build the smart bench, the smart station, the cradle, the cart, the panel rig, the cross-cut jig. There's so many, and it's a system and it all works together. It all ties together. If you want to get a set of plans to build any or all of those, there is a link in the description of the video down below. You go there, click on it. If you purchase those plans, you'll get an email automated from us, the robots, instantaneously. Well, within a minute or two. And there you can click on it and download it. So literally, from hearing me say this to having the plans, under 5 minutes. So jump on it, help support the channel so I can make videos to show you how to use the tools. Smart Fam, I really do appreciate your support and your ideas and your feedback. Mahalo.